class I will explain about loft. Loft means, for suppose if I want to create any handles, chair borders or anything, you have to create by using of loft. So what are the requirement for creating a loft? First requirement is shapes. So then you have to go shapes option. In the shape option, what type of the shape we required. So for suppose I will select here one arc. Okay, so I will draw the arc in side view. So my handle like this path will be like this. Now I want to create a shape. Shape means which type that handle should be showing on your item. Okay, so then first of all you go to in top view. So I will selecting here star shape. My handle is like in star shape. So I will creating my star like this, and I want to create my shape is came. Okay, so this is the shape and this is my path. Okay, so first you select the path and go to geometry. In the geometry, select compound objects, select loft option. Okay, so in that loft option we can create two types. One is the get path and get shape. Select the get shape and just you click on the shape. Automatically what happened, which type of the shape you designed, so that shape of the handle is showing on your screen. So this is the loft option for creating any things. See, automatically the shape is same. Now if you rotate like this, it will come like this. Okay, so for suppose in my loft I want to increase and decrease the scaling factors. So how that scaling factors will be increase and decrease? Then you go to modify and select the loft option, that means shape object. In that shape object, at lastly you have to showing deforms. So just you have to open deform and now you click on the lock symbol like this and click on scale. So it will show one dialog box here. So in that dialog box one graph shape will be showing. In that graph shape, so if you want to insert any point, that means cornering point, so select this point and where you require, so just you have to click here. Then what to do, just you have to move the object, select the move and here drag like this. In center, if you dragging the this point, automatically what happened, in this center of the handle the size will be reduced. So this is the way you have to create and handling the shaping of loft. Okay, once again I will tell about another example. Okay, now I will take in one shape. Example, I will taking one circular shape. The shape will be drawn in the top view. Okay, and now what type of the shape we required? So my shape requirement is, for suppose we treat it as rectangular box. Okay, so select this box, and after that we select the path. So consider as a circle as a path. So then you go to geometry, select the compound objects, and we select loft and select the get shape. So just you have to click on the shape. So automatically the circle will be showing as an in rectangular cylindrical shape. So it's depend on the shape we can create the all these items. Okay, so thank you.